Hi, my name is Jerry Simpson. I'm the Deputy CIO for the City of Pheonix. And so we're pretty big. We do everything from the airport, doing your trash collection to water services. So the reason we chose Veeam was for its leadership in the area of data resilience, and also because its ability to work with virtualized environments. There was a strong integration with our storage environment, pure storage environment, that was going to allow us then to jump into our disaster recovery initiative. Some of the reasons we chose to go the route of a mature system like cybersecure, or a mature program, was it gives credibility to the group. So yes, we do our jobs day in and day out. We keep the lights on. The team is 10, 20 years of experience, but adding that on top of it to where we're saying we're following certain cybersecurity methods, we're doing certain protocols, we are testing this every 3 months with the vendor, gives some credibility. So our ability to work with our information security office is paramount to us being successful. While they set the policies and the guidance and say, okay, Jerry, these are things your team should be doing, and these are the levels they should be reaching, we implement the tools that help us reach that point.
Wow, data loss in my company at the City of Pheonix is unacceptable. We had an issue with, we have a program called the Daily Right program in the Phoenix. That's a service that is being used by a lot of disabled people to connect to the bus system. That server went down. With Veeam, in less than 5 minutes, my team was able to bring back the server up and we resumed services uninterrupted. Data resilience means everything to us. Without data resilience, some of us don't even have our jobs. If something happened to our data, if it's not protected, and some malicious will gain access to it, think about the consequences, the financial loss that we're going to incur.
The implementation we had with the city was mainly a migration to begin with, and the environment that we were coming from wasn't truly ready for the actual migration. So we had to go through, and it had several challenges. But the good thing is through every challenge we had, we were able to pull in Veeam support and our Veeam customer service team and customer experience team, and they helped us every step. Veeam was a lot more efficient. We're able to do restores faster. We're able to find data that customers and some of our departments need faster for restore. And the UI is very intuitive.
So our future is pretty bright with what we're doing with data protection and data resiliency, connected with our CISO and all the tools and the security tools that they've implemented. We see a huge connection there between how we're going to be using Veeam in the future, how we're going to be looking at Veeam Vault, Veeam Recovery Orchestrator, just to protect everything that the city has and currently uses. So Veeam is more than just a vendor for the City of Pheonix. They've become a partner, and it's been pretty seamless.